Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Quana. Today I'm going to be using Waveformers. A lot of you are subscribed to me because you saw my curl formers video, and so I just wanted to go ahead and try out these Waveformers. Also, please disregard my face. I've had this makeup on for like 13 hours. So yeah, it comes with 2 of those. And I think this also comes with 40 waveformers. So just a little bit about this. It says create ripple inspired waves with no heat damage. It's for any hair type up to 55 centimeters or 22 inches long. Yeah, there's a lot in here. So my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair, put leave-in conditioner in it, and then I put it into these braids so that I could pop on a wig today. So I am going to re-wet my hair. But I'm going to take out these braids first. Okay, so this is my hair all taken out of my braids. Water. I'm going to add a little moisture back into my hair with this Curls Dynasty leave-in. For a hold, I'm going to use the Lotta Body foam wrap. Okay, I'm officially done for the night. I used all but 6 of these, which I think would mean I have 34 of these in my head if I'm correct in that there are 40 of these. I'm gonna put on a big bonnet and go to sleep, and I'll report back in the morning to take these out with y'all. Good morning. So, I slept in these Waveformers overnight. I put this bonnet on, it wouldn't go all the way over, so I just let the back hang out and I just pulled the ones in the front to the back. I'm gonna pray that these are actually dry, and we're just gonna start taking them out. I'm gonna start in the back, I think. When you squeeze it at the root, if you go ahead and pull at the end too, like kind of hold both of them at the same time and then release, so just slides right off. Wow. Okay, this is my hair with no fluffing. I'm going to use this Melanin Multi-Use Oil and just put that on my hands, and then I think I'm going to separate a tiny bit because I don't want this to get like too frizzy. This actually looks really good though, like even without separating. feel like it stretched my hair so much. I'm just gonna put that on my hands. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just scrunch it a little bit, really on the ends. I'm so scared to separate this. Like, I kind of think I'm just gonna do like, oh, that's fine. Oh yeah, it's fine. I don't have a pick with me, so I'm just gonna massage my scalp a little in the back. And just kind of lift at the roots with my hands. I was really worried about what the ends were gonna look like, but like, they don't even look bad at all. Okay, I'm pretty much done, and I know I keep frizzing this up, but I like my hair to be big when I wear it natural. So I'm going to fluff just a bit more. It could still be a little bit bigger, but I guess I'm gonna leave it on so that I don't completely ruin like the wave pattern.